So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please do not leave without subscribing. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. And if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Make sure you go to the link, follow us on Telegram. You get tons of information we will be sharing. And if you are interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If in case you are interested, then follow us on Patreon, subscribe to our Patreon channel. You'll be able to trade with us, right? Subscribe, and we're also rolling out a 7 days free trial, meaning you can trade with us for good 7 days free. So the link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe so you'll be able to trade with us. It is important. Now let's see what this AUD USD is actually showing. So let me zoom it out properly. This is it. This is the level we are heading to on AUD USD. This is the level we are definitely heading to. So we would want to see it come to this resistance level. As you can see, it has come here multiple times. We've seen a rejection. So from this current level to this level, where would see it come to? That would be about 90, probably 90 to 100 pips movements. But right now, we will be getting, probably we can make it about 100 pips, more than 100 pips movements by going to the 1 hour time frame. We will be expecting a correction downward. So this correction, right, is as a pullback for a takeoff. Now take a look at this trend line. You can see that price has reacted to this trend. So we will be expecting, I think we should be patient enough for price to come to this our trend line before we can now start looking for a buy opportunity. That is the best thing you do. Wait for a correction or probably a movement to this trend line. Then we can now look for an opportunity to go long on AUD USD. Now let's see it again on this DXY. This DXY, this is what I am expecting. Though it might not play out this way, but one thing we know for sure is that DXY will be dropping, thereby making room for every other PS we are trading to DX USD should go bullish. Now this is what I'll be expecting on DXY, meaning a correction, then a drop. So once we get this correction to the upside, then it should not be of a surprise. AUD to USD will drop. Then once this DXY or USD index starts dropping, once our USD index or DXY starts dropping, then of course we would expect this bullish move. So at this bullish move, we'll be heading straight to this our level we just mentioned. That is about 80 to 90 pips bullish move. So basically, you should be expecting, you should be looking for a buy opportunity. That is what I want you guys to know. Expect a buy opportunity. Also, we'll be expecting, some major news by next week. I think CPI will be released next. Yes, CPI should be released next week. You know, we'll also be expecting PPI next week. And one thing again, we would be expecting federal fund rate, whether the Fed will decide to hike interest rates or leave it the same. So this will cause a lot of volatility on this our USD, basically a lot of crazy movements. If it is not in favor of our USD, then trust me, this USD will actually fall like crazy. So once this USD falls like crazy, every other place we are trading to our USD will give us a bullish move. That is to tell you that AUD USD will actually give us a bullish move like crazy. By the way, we are going to cover everything in our Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested in trading with us, you want to trade with us, you're interested in high probability trade, then subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.